Hey people out there, welcome back to my channel Design with Bala. So today, after weeks of waiting, I have just got access to this Adobe's Firefly AI generative tool. So which I would say the best AI tool I've ever seen. So this generative process is so simple and clean. In this video, we are going to see how it works and what is so new about this Adobe's Firefly AI and how it is going to help graphic designers or designers to create beautiful and amazing artworks. Let's get into the video now. This is Adobe's Firefly and I have been working around and messing with prompts to see and understand its capabilities. I'm seriously blown away with its feature and I'm not sure how it's going to be in the future. So right now they have opened out these three features which is really fun to play around with. To start this off, I'm going to go into this text to image feature and let's get started with our prompt ideas. So you can able to see different artworks with different prompts people have tried out so far, and I'm going to play it in a fun way and I'm going to ask this AI to create an artwork for my prompt ideas I have in mind. So need a cute duck. Okay, let it be a cyber duck on top of birch. Okay, so it's going to be birch. Oh, sorry. Khalifa. Fine, let's click on generate and see what this AI is going to design for us. It's taking a while, and yes, okay, that's cool. And a cute duckling. Let's change this prompt to duckling on top of Burj Khalifa with some enemy ducks flying behind. Oh, sorry, that's Burj. It seems fine. Okay, I'm going to regenerate it again. Oh wow, I think this cyber duck looks cool, right? So actually you can able to see where I can play with different options and content type here. So when I click on this particular photo option, the AI generates an artwork that looks like an image, like a photograph. Okay, could able to see that. This looks so terrifying. It's not so cute, but fine. They are just in the beta, right? So I'm going to play around with graphic and see now. This is cute looking duck again, and let's go back to art. Let's click on photo and graphic, and when I click on none, I don't know what it's going to throw for none. Oh my god, I think the none option is looking cool. So you can able to see I can also play around with the styles here. So I can actually give it like movements. I'm going to click and I'm going to have a science fiction kind of a moment. You can able to see these gets listed out as chips down here, and also want to be origami, metal, lead, paper, fur. Yes, wanted to be in the fur. Concepts, nostalgic, that sounds good. I'm going to add that as well. And techniques, I want it to be look like, oh my god, I don't want any of this. Popular, what is about popular? Layered paper, I don't want that. And color and tone, actually I can choose the color and tone I want. I want it to be in a cooler tone with lighting like a golden hour lighting. So it is basically the lighting that comes during the twilight timing, like the golden hour. Composition, how the composition want to be, like I want it to be a blurry background so that I can use it for my gaming poster that I'm going to design for. And I'm going to click on the generate icon now. This duck is cute, but I don't like the background part of it, and I love this duck, but the duck doesn't look like a cyber duck. I think I have to play around with the prompt ideas, and let me try it out. Behind. Okay, let's click on this and see. Okay, so the more creative or prompt ideas, the more creative the artwork will be. So let me just play around with the prompt ideas again. The cute cyber duck, or maybe duck, we'll call it as duck instead of duckling on top of Burj Khalifa. So with some enemy ducks, I don't want that enemy ducks now, so it's like making my image look cluttered and it looks overloaded with images or additional unwanted piece of art behind the primary duck. I'll remove that. Burj Khalifa with some feathers. Let's see how it is going to generate now. Wow, this is so cute. This is something as I expected, and this looks really amazing and cool. Actually, I can go ahead and download this, but before downloading, it actually throws and asks us for, oh my god, it's not asking now. It asked me about the licensing and terms and use of this image, which I clicked in before. Now it's for the second time, it's not asking the same. I can actually go ahead and actually submit my file to the Firefly gallery, or I can copy it to the clipboard. One good thing I noticed about this Adobe's Firefly is that when I use this mid-journey, my prompt idea gets lost in the lot of prompt ideas other users create. So we'll be creating under called as a playground or a newbie's playground, where I type in my prompt ideas and it gets lost by the time it takes for while generating. But that is not the case with Adobe's Firefly. They are giving you own space where you can play around with the prompts and your prompt doesn't get lost at all. That is so cool, and I can go ahead and use this image now. Now I have the poster designed for me. Right now I'm going to have a typography or text effects to be designed for that. To do that, I'm going to go into this text effects and I'm going to click on generate now. So you can able to see similarly, like a lot of text ideas have already been created by different users with their own prompt ideas. So now I'm going to enter my text. I'm going to name my game as Cyberduck. Fine, and I'm going to describe the text effects you want. I want it to be robotic, funny, cartoonic, and with some feathers. Okay, cartoonish, fine, feathers. Got it. I'm going to generate now. Click on generate. It's actually generating the typography I requested for. So yes, the AI has given me 4 different options to check it out, and I'm not quite convinced with it. So I'm going to just play around with the font or text effects here, and I'm going to play around with the font and see how it's going to give me the output I requested for. Sorry. The image generation was quite fast, but the text thing is taking some time to render. I think it's all because of the prompt ideas I gave in. I think I just overloaded with data. Maybe. I think it's taking some time to think about my requirement and to generate it. But to be true, the image generation is super fast compared to the text generation. I think they are updating this in the backend. Maybe it could be same as fast as the image generation in future. This one is quite convincing, but I'm not sure whether I would like it or not. Anyways, I'm going to download this and keep it as an asset, and I'm going to try out with my new other options. I'm going to have some ducks in it, so I'm going to regenerate it again and see what it's really got for me. Oh my god, this is something makes illegible just because of too much of ducks in it, and I'm going to remove the ducks and I'm going to keep just duck, and I'm going to regenerate that again. Let's now see. So as I said before, the more creative you are, the more creative the AI will generate ideas for you. So it's all about the prompt ideas we are going to give in. This looks good, but I couldn't able to read the title I gave in, so I'm going to just go back to my previous idea and I'm going to generate that. So yes, I think I can go ahead with this. This looks great, and now actually what I can do is I can go back to Photoshop. I can just merge these two things and add more few other design elements, and they make this poster ready in few minutes, not more than 15 minutes I think. And the third option we have is like recoloring vector. So this is also going to help us out. Like we have to just upload SVGs and we can actually pick colors we want to use it, and we can actually recolor an SVG in minutes or maybe in seconds. I don't think so I need to explain this fully, because people already knew how it's going to work. So let's just keep it simple. I think these two are the major tryouts they have given now. I mean, in future they are planning to bring in video generations and actually making an image into a video. We'll just wait for it and see what really this Adobe Firefly has got for us and how it's going to help designers to make or create amazing artworks in minutes. So this tool is actually super fun to use, and this is capable of designing anything we put in. And I would say not to fear of losing jobs just because of these AIs coming up into the industries. Instead, I would rather tell you people to adapt yourself or look up for more opportunities how we can make use of these AIs to make our job easier and to design better creative artworks in future. I hope you found this video very informative, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon. Only then the efforts I put in will reach you for sure. See you in another video soon. Bye bye. Happy creating.